Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Catherine, also known as the Tiger Shark Mermaid, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Tiger Shark Mermaid inspired tail by Mertailor. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the tail, as well as going over some interesting details about the tail and showing you some up-close features of this magnificent creation. So for the unboxing portion, I'm going to be doing something completely different because, well, I'm not going to want to bore you with a 25-minute long video of me showing you me dragging the box in. Deciding which side to open the box on. Finally opening the box up. As my pet also decides to video bomb the video. While I struggle to get the tail out of the box and make a gigantic mess all over the place. I think it's safe to say that we can just skip this part and get to the real part of this video.